If you're a veteran looking for the best homeowners insurance in 2026, my top recommendation is USAA, and in this video, I'll explain exactly why. Because, honestly, when it comes to homeowners, insurance for veterans, few companies are as well known or as highly rated as USA. The company was originally created to serve military members and their families, and today it continues to be one of the most trusted insurance providers for veterans across the United States. One of the biggest reasons USAA stands out is its reputation for customer satisfaction. Many veterans choose USAA because of its strong claims service, competitive pricing, and military-focused benefits. Another major advantage is the coverage itself. Depending on your policy, USAA homeowners insurance may help protect against fire damage, theft, vandalism, storm, damage liability claims, and damage to personal belongings, which are some of the most common concerns for homeowners. One feature many customers appreciate is that USAA often includes coverage options that may cost extra with other insurance companies. This can provide additional value while helping homeowners avoid unexpected expenses. Later, another benefit is flexibility. USAA offers various coverage levels, allowing homeowners to customize policies based on their needs, the value of their property, and their budget. Now let's talk about customer service, because insurance isn't only about price. It's also about what happens when you need help. USAA consistently receives strong ratings for customer support, claims handling, and overall member satisfaction, which is one reason it remains so popular among veterans. Another reason many military families choose USAA is its understanding of military life. Whether you're relocating, deploying, or managing property, while serving, USAA offers resources and services specifically designed for military members and veterans. Now let's be realistic, USAA is not available to everyone. Eligibility is generally limited to veterans, active duty, military members, certain military family members, and some eligible descendants, but if you qualify, it is often considered one of the best overall insurance providers available. Another important advantage is the potential to bundle multiple products. Many customers combine homeowners insurance, auto insurance, banking services, and other financial products, which can simplify account management and sometimes reduce costs. So to summarize, if you're searching for the best homeowners insurance for veterans in 2026, USAA is my top recommendation because it offers excellent customer services, strong coverage options, competitive pricing, military-focused benefits, and one of the best reputations in the insurance industry. Because honestly, after serving your country, having a company that understands your unique needs can make a real difference when it comes to protecting your home and your financial future.